How to fix Nvidia's graphics card not detected on Windows. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily fix if your graphics card is not detected by your device. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your device manager and check if it shows your graphics card or not. Now I am not using Nvidia's graphics card and my device does not have it, so it won't be visible here. But what you need to do is click on this view icon and then click on show hidden devices. Now you just have to click on this drop down of display adapters, and once you have done that, you should see your Nvidia's graphics card right here. As I've mentioned before, I do not have the graphics card on the device, so it's not showing here, but if you have it, you will be able to see it here. Now the other thing you need to do is right click on it to update the driver. So go ahead and search automatically for drivers, and if it says the best driver for your device are already installed, then you're good to go. The other thing that you can do is check for updates on your drivers. To do that, first of all, open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, go ahead and click on the Windows Update icon on the left side of your screen. Click on Advanced option, go to Optional Updates, and as you can see, I have 3 driver updates available. Click on the drop down, select all of these options, and then click on Download and Install. Once the installation is complete, the other thing that you can do is try to enable the device. So to do that, you again have to open up your device manager and then go ahead and click on driver display adapters. Right click on it, and if the Nvidia's graphics card is disabled, you just want to enable the graphics card from here. And the other thing that you can do is open up your command prompt, type in cmd, run it as administrator, and paste this command right here. It will be available on the description as well, so you can pause the video here and type it in, or you can directly copy it from your description. Just run this command, and once this is complete, give your PC a quick restart and your problem should be gone by now. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.